2 years after a barbaric crime brought about a nationwide public outrage, Times now does a reality check on how safe the transportation facilities in Chennai are for women.
Two years since the nation was shocked by the inhumane Nirbhaya rape case in the national capital, a barbaric crime that brought about a nationwide public outrage. 2 years after the horrific rape, Times now does a reality check on the transportation facilities in Chennai, and our pictures narrate the situation on ground.
When we visited these railway stations to check the kind of safety arrangements that have been made, particularly for women, it's total disappointment. That is what one can say, because there are no CCTV cameras there are no cops there, and there are no adequate arrangements to ensure that women are safe and secure in these railway stations.
Even as thousands of women commuters use the local trains in Chennai, little has been done to make them feel safe.
Never I feel secure, and as you see, there is no CCTV camera anywhere and there are no cops also. It's never safe, and even in the compartment also there is never safety.
Last time when I was trying to board into an MMTS, I felt somebody standing really close to me. It was some stranger who was trying to hold me from beside. I was like, what the hell are you doing? So I was like, cool madam, cool. I was not able to do anything. I couldn't even shout, I couldn't even approach a cop.
After the Delhi gang rape incident, several promises were made by the politicians and by the government agencies, but at the end of the day, at the ground level, nothing seems to have happened, and these young girls, particularly the IT employees who are commuting through these MRTS trains, are left to fend themselves.
It's not just the local trains, even the buses proving to be unsafe, as Times Now spy cam catches Brazen Eve teasing. Although several promises were made by the then Jayalalitha-led government, the only respite is the helpline that is set up.
Tamil Nadu government had planned to set up women helpline centers across the state in the wake of Delhi gang rape incident. And here on the Tamil Nadu police website, there is an announcement by the Tamil Nadu police saying that a new scheme has been launched to aid women in distress.
Big promises were made 2 years ago to make Chennai safer for women. But Times Now exposing how these promises remain unfulfilled.
On paper, we have better laws, newer crimes, a good definition to the crimes itself. But as far as execution is concerned, it is definitely abysmal. We have had several rapes continuously all over the country, left, right and center. And I don't think there's much change at all on pragmatic ground.
And safety remains a far-fetched dream for women in Tamil Nadu's capital. With Shabir in Chennai, Madhusudan for Times Now.